Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about type conversion. We know that we have different types of data, right? We have the number data, we have the strings, and we have the Boolean. The data type conversion is a process of converting data of one type to another. For example, let's say you have the data in the number format, and if you want to convert that number format to a string, so we call that as a data type conversion. There are two types of conversions in JavaScript. One is implicit conversion, which is nothing but automatic type conversion. So here the JavaScript engine will automatically do the conversion for you. So based on the statement, it automatically converts the data to another format. And the second one is explicit conversion. So it is nothing but a manual type conversion. So based on our requirement, to use a different kind of functions to convert the data as per our need. So first let's explore the implicit conversion. So as I said before, it's a automatic conversion. So your JavaScript engine will automatically convert one data type to another. So if you see an example, right? Let's say you have the result variable. Here you see 3 plus 2. 3 here, if you observe 3, we know that anything that is enclosed in single quotes or double quotes is treated as a string in JavaScript. Here, what you're trying to do, you're trying to add two numbers. The first number is in a string format, and the second is which is a number format. Now in this case, you see the result, right? See 3 plus 2. What has happened here? It is concatenated. So it means that whatever the two number right here, it is converted into string, and then a string concatenation happened. So that's why instead of 3 plus 2 5, it is showing 32, because implicit conversion was done automatically by JavaScript, which is not in our control. For example, if you see in this, right? So result 4 minus 2. In this case, 4, which is in a string format, minus 2, which is also in string format. But the result, if you see, right, which is 2, means that it has converted 4 into a number and again 2 into a number, and it has performed the minus operation, which is automatically done by your JavaScript engine. So it's based on the statement. It will do the conversion, which is not in our control. So this is the one disadvantage of implicit conversion. And if you want to convert, right, in this case 3 plus 2, here also if you want to convert this 3 into number, and then if you want to add to the 2, right, then we have to use explicit conversion. It means that you have to specify what is the target data type. So you can also convert one data type to another as per your need. So here is example. The type conversion that you manually is not. So this is nothing but the type conversion that you do manually is known as a explicit type conversion. So in JavaScript, explicit type conversion are done using a built-in methods. So don't confused about methods. We are going to talk about methods in the upcoming lecture. So for now, just think a method is something which will take some input and it will perform and it will return some value. So that's a simple example definition of method. So here you see string to number. If you want to convert string data type to a number, this is the method. So result number, this is the function, built-in function. So in the double quotes, in the bracket, right, you send whatever the string that you want. Here I'm sending a number 324, which is in a string format. So it is going to return the same thing in a number format. The same thing here. If you want to convert any number into a string, then string is the function. So that actually takes a number and returns which is in a string data type. So these two are the key functions, built-in functions to convert data types. And also we can use parseInt or parseFloat. So parseInt means it takes the string and then converts that into a number. And similarly, this one as well. Now let's jump into a browser and explore all of this with examples. So let's take where result, okay, and I have 3 and plus 2, okay, and result. See, it is 32. A JavaScript engine converted 2 into a string and then did the concatenation. And similarly where, so type of, just check the data type of result. See, it is a string. Now let's see where result equal to 4 minus 2. See, it is 2. Now if you check the data type of this variable, see, which is number, isn't it? So if this is all about this one. Now if you want to convert as per our need, let's say a result where result here 3 minus 3 plus, let's say 2, it is going to return, we know, 5 because of the implicit conversion. Let's say if you don't want that, so what we can do is, here I want to convert this a number which is in string format to an integer. So what is the method? Number, just pass that. Now result, see, which is 5. So basically if you we check the data type, right, number of 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, one more bracket is missing. Yeah, see, it is a number. So that's how you convert string to an integer. Let's try string of 1 2 3 4. See, this is a number, right? 1 2 3 4 is a number, but it has written a string. Now if you check type of string of 1 2 3 4, right? See, it's a string. So basically this is useful. Let's say you want to read 2 inputs from the user, okay, 2 numbers from the user, and add the sum. Now how to read the any data from the user? Prompt, right? We know. Let's say a prompt, enter a. Okay, let's say I have entered, let's say 12. Now if you check the data type, right, type of a, which is a string. So whatever this is, prompt is going to return string format. It is not a number. And let's say b, prompt, enter b. Okay, now I'm going to enter 34. Now if I do a plus b, right, see, it is not going to add. Instead, it is, because these are the string, it is going to concatenate, isn't it? So if you don't want like that, then simply convert number a plus number b. See, 12 plus 34, which is 46. So that's the need of data type conversions. So that's all in this session. Thank you all. See you in the next session.